Did you know that right now there's a completely free way to generate insanely high-quality AI short videos in bulk? These AI-generated videos are the exact same videos getting millions of views across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. And when I say free, I mean no watermark, no subscription, no credit card, no hidden upgrade or usage limits. You can literally generate cinematic AI short-form videos in bulk almost instantly without paying a single dollar. This is the exact kind of workflow that a lot of faceless viral channels are already using right now to pull in millions of views with emotionally storytelling AI-generated short films. The difference is, most people still have no idea how these videos are being made, but in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact system step by step, including the AI tools, the workflow, and the automation process, completely free. All I ask in return is that you drop a like on this video. And seriously, make sure you stay until the end because the final step is the part that transforms your video from just another AI clip into something that actually feels viral ready and keeps people watching. All right, let's get into it. Step 1, setting up the automation system. The first thing you want to do is open Google and search for the AutoMeta Chrome extension. The best part, it's completely free. Download it, install it, open it. Once you launch the extension, you'll be taken directly to the dashboard where you can connect it to Meta AI. At this point, you'll need to log in using either your Instagram or Facebook account. Once you're inside Meta AI, you'll notice there are multiple creation tools available. What you want to select is text to video. Now, leave that open for a second because we're going to come back to it very soon. Step 2, creating viral, emotionally engaging stories. Now, this is the step where most people completely fail. And honestly, this is the reason why most AI videos never go viral. People either copy boring scripts, steal recycled ideas, or create stories with zero emotional connection. And if your story doesn't hook people immediately, your short is basically dead before it even starts. So instead of copying everyone else, you need original storytelling. Here's how you do it. Go to ChatGPT and search for a free storytelling GPT or writing assistant. Then start generating story concepts like write an emotional story about a dog who was abandoned but slowly learned to trust again. You can literally create stories in almost any niche: emotional, inspirational, fantasy, cinematic, comedy, life lessons, horror, even anime-style storytelling. And trust me, originality matters because social media platforms are getting smarter every day. They don't want to push low-effort copied content anymore. They reward videos that feel fresh, emotional, and engaging. So your goal is to create stories designed specifically for retention and emotional impact. That's the secret. Step 3, turning your story into cinematic AI video prompts. Now, this is where your AI video starts feeling like an actual movie instead of random clips stitched together. Take your story, paste it back into ChatGPT, then use this prompt. Convert this story into line-by-line cinematic text-to-video in 3D Pixar style. Split long scenes for smoother animation. And instantly, your script becomes a complete visual production blueprint. Every scene gets broken down into cinematic shots with clear visuals, emotions, lighting, movement, and atmosphere. And because the scenes are intelligently split into smaller moments, the final video feels dramatically smoother and more engaging. Instead of one long, awkward animation, you get dynamic pacing that actually keeps viewers interested. This part alone completely changes the quality of your content. Step 4, bulk AI video generation. Alright, this is where the magic happens. Copy all of your cinematic prompts, paste them directly into AutoMeta, then click Start. That's it. Seriously, instead of generating videos one scene at a time manually, the system automatically starts creating clip after clip after clip for you, completely hands-free. This is what makes the workflow so powerful, because you're no longer making one AI video. You're building a scalable content machine that can generate huge amounts of short-form content incredibly fast. And the fact that it's happening completely free, honestly, still feels ridiculous. Step 5, generating unlimited AI voiceovers for free. Now, while your visuals are generating in the background, it's time to create the voiceover. Go to Google AI Studio, open the text-to-speech tool, switch it to single speaker, choose a voice you like, paste your script, click generate. Done! You now have a professional quality AI narration that honestly sounds comparable to expensive tools like 11 Labs, except you're getting it completely free. So at this point, you already have your story, your cinematic visuals, and your AI voiceover. And the crazy part, the entire process only takes a few minutes. That's honestly insane when you think about how long this used to take creators before AI automation. Step 6, assembling everything inside CapCut. Now, it's time to put everything together. Open CapCut, which is honestly the best free video editor for AI-generated short-form content right now. Import all your generated clips and your voiceover. The first thing you want to do is place the narration onto the timeline first. Your voiceover becomes the backbone of the edit. Then start matching each visual clip to the narration scene by scene. Every sentence should have a clear visual attached to it. And because your prompts were already structured earlier, this part becomes surprisingly easy. You're basically assembling a pre-built system instead of editing from scratch. That's why this workflow is so efficient. Once everything is synced properly, do a quick watch through to make sure the pacing feels smooth. And just like that, your video is basically done. What used to take creators hours of editing, fixing, syncing, and rendering can now be done in minutes because most of the hard work was already handled by the AI workflow itself. Step 7. The final viral polish. Now we have made it to the final step. And honestly, this final step might be the most important because this is the difference between a video that gets ignored and a video that keeps people watching. Inside CapCut, tap Text/Add Captions. Then let CapCut generate your subtitles automatically. Then quickly go through them and fix any mistakes. After that, open the caption style settings and switch to a high retention caption design. Make the captions bold, readable, fast-paced, and visually engaging. Remember, good captions massively improve retention, especially on TikTok and Shorts, where many people watch videos without sound at first. Next, start adding transitions between clips. Use smooth transitions like blur, zoom, motion transitions, or twinkle effects. Nothing too crazy, just enough to maintain flow and keep attention moving naturally from scene to scene. Because getting clicks is one thing, but pacing, flow, visuals, and emotional engagement are what actually make people stay until the end. And retention is what drives virality. Once everything feels polished and smooth, export the video in high quality and save it. And just like that, you now have a fully polished, emotionally engaging, cinematic AI short-form video that genuinely has the potential to go viral in today's faceless content space. Now, here's the most important thing to understand. This isn't about making one video. This is about building a repeatable content engine, a system, a machine, something you can scale consistently. And that's why this workflow is so powerful, because while most people are still manually editing every single piece of content from scratch, you're automating the entire process. And in today's attention economy, that is an enormous advantage. So don't just watch this video, think it's cool, and move on. Actually test it. Seriously, pick a niche, create a story, generate prompts, create visuals, add voiceovers, edit, and upload consistently. Do that consistently for the next 30 days, and you could genuinely surprise yourself with the results, because the opportunity right now is massive. And the crazy part, you can start today without spending a single dollar. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more AI tools, hidden workflows, and automation systems just like this. And don't leave yet. Click the next video on your screen right now, because the next AI tool guide might completely change the way you create content forever.